Hey y'all! Hey girl! Hey child! Yes girl, it's me, Nita. Welcome and welcome back. Y'all, and today's show, we will be doing a bedroom refresh, but not just any bedroom refresh, we're gonna be doing my bedroom refresh. In this show today, y'all, I hope that y'all are able to gather some inspiration. Maybe you'll even gather a little motivation. But just through it all, I hope you like it. And if you like it that much, you know you can share the video too, y'all. Go ahead and share it. Let somebody know that you enjoyed this video and you would love for them to see it. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this video because I want to show you some of the new items that I picked up to refresh my bedroom with. It's not a whole lot. I picked these things up from Home Goods and Target. And then I'm going to go ahead briefly and show you the items that I've already had that I'm going to be using in the bedroom as well. Okay, so the first thing is this sheet set that I picked up from Home Goods. I am in need of more sheet sets for my bed, and I always use white sheet sets on my bed, so I am desperately in need of more white sheet sets. This one here is Oxford, the brand Oxford. Is the 1200 thread count, and it has 6 pieces. And then the next item is from Target. I have this Threshold Tufted Diamond Crinkle Comforter set, and this is from Target. Also from Target, I picked up these very simple and cute round candles. They are in a glass jar, and they are like in a taupe color, but very, very nice and sleek and very simple. And this is by the Threshold brand as well, and the fragrance is vetiver and oak moss, and it smells really, really good, really good. And the last item that I bought was this Threshold brand throw, and this is like in a cream color, and this is a knit throw, so it's very plush, very nice, gonna go really well in the bedroom. So that is it, guys. That is all that I purchased for the bedroom. Everything else is going to be things that I've already got, and then I'll be using that in the bedroom along with this new stuff. So let me go ahead and show you the things that I already got and what we're going to be using in there. Okay, so these are some of the items that I'm going to be using in the room. These are the items that I've said that I already had. And these were 2 clear glass vases. They were clear. You can kind of see on the bottom here that they were clear, and I spray painted them first with a white primer, and then I hand painted them with some white chalk paint. I wanted to give it more of a little rustic, chalky look, so that is why I used the chalk paint on these. And then here are a few decorative books. These books are from Etsy, from a seller on Etsy. So guys, if you're looking for inexpensive coffee table books or books for styling your bookshelf, this is a great idea. I love using books to style with, and these are some very inexpensive books. They are not the designer books, but they are table fillers, they are bookshelf fillers, and they come in a variety of different sizes and colors, so you might want to check that out. I'll leave a link for this seller in the description box below. And then I have this wooden bowl, a very simple, kind of like distress or rustic bowl. Again, you guys know how I feel about natural organic elements, so this is it for me. And then I'm also going to be using these moss balls. I have a few of these that I'm going to add. And then here is another piece that I'm going to be using in there. This is a vase, and it is kind of just wrapped in twine. So another organic feature on this vase that I really like. And the inside looks almost like it's made of clay. So this vase I'll be using in there as well. And then I have this man that sits on like a rock. I guess he's sitting on a rock, and a very cute little interesting piece. And then I have these linked balls. These are in like an off-white cream color, and they are made of wood. So I like these linked balls. And then I have this decorative piece that I'll be using. This is also made of wood, and it's in a washed white finish. But yeah, I don't know how to describe it, but this is what it looks like. And then lastly, well, not lastly, but I'll also be using this tray. This is in a leather finish with the gold trim around the edges. So I'll be using this in there as well. Again, guys, these are items that I already had, so I just went in my stash and picked out a few things that I wanted to use. And these are some floral stems and, yeah, floral stems, floral picks. I haven't decided on which ones I'm going to use because I have a few varieties here, a different variety here. So I'll decide which ones I'm going to use, and I'll be using them in the vase here. I am going to start decorating first by hanging these curtains. These curtains are new. I may have shared them with you in a previous haul. They are from Home Goods. They are 96 inches in length. They are in a cream color, and I am hanging them on this double rod. I normally hang 2 types of curtains on this rod in my room, but for this style here, I'm just going to hang the one type of curtains there. So looking straight ahead at my 2 nightstands, you'll notice that I do not have nightstand lamps. However, I do have overhead lighting from the pendants that I do have hardwired coming from the ceiling. So instead of the nightstand lamps, I have pendant lighting that overhangs each nightstand. watching and you like what you see, please do not forget to hit that like button. It really helps my channel out a great deal. So please do me that favor, hit that like button. And also don't forget, guys, it doesn't cost you anything to share the video. So go ahead and share the video. If you are watching still, but you are not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button so that you can be a part of this family too. Come on, y'all, let's go ahead and finish the video. have made it to the end of the video, and I hope that you have enjoyed. don't forget to like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe. So I will see you guys in the next one. And as always, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.